All right, guys, BAOFENG sent us their 5R Minis. This is the UHF, VHF, analog amateur radios. I'm super excited to get into these two-way radios because my kids, love playing with them, and we actually do use them for various things when they go out and they're in the neighborhood. So let's go ahead and crack them open and see what we are working with. Check out that antenna, bro. That thing is big. You got two of these guys, you're going to be reaching out miles. I do believe they go up to 5 miles, could run even as much as 10. So you have, each one comes with its own headset, so you can actually run an individual headset to it, which is nice. So you can communicate with people without actually utilizing the walkie-talkie right up to yourself. But you're looking for the star of the show, which is going to be this actual unit. Look how cool this bad boy is. So right here, there you go. That is how small it is. Very simple. You have your antenna plug in, and then last but not least down here, we're going to have a battery. Let's see how easy it is to plug in the battery. So boom, just like so. You're going to pop it in on the bottom, and look at that. That was easy as pie. See if we can turn it on pretty simply. Okay, on the left side, you have your headphones, and you have your microphone. Right, so if I want to connect this up, I can connect it right off to the side. We have our power up top. Look at how easy it is. Pops on just like that. Okay, moving on down, we got our little shorty when it comes to the antenna. Let's go ahead and drop this guy on, and then you do have your long range antenna as well. So these are going to be charged. You have the open up here. Which would take that off, and then you have your charge cables down below, which is going to be USB to USB-C. So it's just super important that you know that. But let's go ahead and turn these guys on. Okay. And you can do search. You have menu. You have a ton of different options with them, which is super cool. Next thing I want to show in here is going to be the clips for the back. You do have a clip for each one that you can pop on the back. So you're going to drop this on the back side of it. Very easy process to do. Just like that. Now you can clip this on wherever you want to. Okay. You also have a lanyard as well. And the lanyard can be hooked on the back right here. No problems whatsoever. Guys, these things are super nice and easy. Look at the color screen of this bad boy. Let me go ahead and get this cut back on. Okay. Look at the color screen. Look at all that stuff. You have tons of options here. So you have an A and a B channel that you can run off of, which makes it super simple. Your menu, exit, all those different things. You can scan, radio set, program channel, wireless, CPS. Makes it super, super easy to use at the end of the day. Guys, I'm not going to lie. I'm super pumped to work with these guys. To be able to get these using. We're going to run some real live demonstration of these guys, but check out BAOFENG. This is a really awesome product.